Get ready to be amazed by the top 5 innovative tech gadgets of 2024. First up, smart glasses. Experience augmented reality like never before with immersive visuals and seamless integration. Dive deeper into smart glasses, a revolutionary gadget that's set to change the way we interact with the world. Experience augmented reality like never before with immersive visuals and seamless integration. Next, let's explore the foldable smartphones. These devices represent the future of mobile tech with flexible displays and enhanced functionality, offering a new era of convenience and innovation. Wearable health monitors track your health in real time with advanced sensors and AI-driven insights. Imagine having a personal health coach right on your wrist, constantly analyzing your vital signs and providing you with customized advice to optimize your well-being. AI-powered home assistants, your ultimate smart home companion with voice control and intelligent automation. Picture this: a home that understands your preferences, adjusts your lighting and temperature, and even reminds you of important tasks without you having to lift a finger. Electric flying cars, revolutionizing transportation with eco-friendly and efficient aerial mobility. Envision soaring above traffic jams, reducing your carbon footprint, and getting to your destination in a fraction of the time it would normally take. Stay ahead of the curve with these groundbreaking gadgets. Embrace the future today and transform how you live, work, and play.